Hi guys, welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to roast an eggplant for making delicious smoked eggplant mash. If you enjoy the rich flavor of roasted eggplant, then you're going to love today's project. The best part is that this device can also be used to roast many other foods. So, let's get started. To build this project, I first took a piece of stainless steel mesh. I rolled the mesh into a cylindrical shape and secured it firmly. To close both ends of the cylinder, I used two circular perforated mesh discs. Small holes were made in the center of the discs for mounting purposes. Next, I used thick iron wire to permanently attach one of the circular mesh discs to one end of the cylindrical mesh. Then, I prepared a solid carbon rod. A short screw was attached to one end of the rod and a longer screw to the other end. The longer screw was inserted through the hole at one end of the mesh cylinder and secured tightly. Another long screw was installed in the center of the second circular mesh disc. This disc was then attached to the open end of the cylinder, creating a removable door that allows easy access to the inside of the mesh basket. To rotate the entire mesh basket, I mounted an AC synchronous motor onto a wooden stand. The carbon rod assembly was then connected to the rotating shaft of the motor. After assembling everything, I installed the mesh basket onto the wooden stand and positioned it above my wood-burning stove. Note, if you would like to see how I built this stove, I will place the link to that video in the description below. Now it's time for the main ingredient. I picked a fresh, pesticide-free eggplant from my rooftop garden. After removing the stem, I applied a small amount of mustard oil over the entire surface of the eggplant. This helps improve the roasting process and adds a wonderful aroma. Next, I opened the mesh basket, placed the eggplant inside, and securely closed the door. Then I mounted the basket back onto the wooden stand and positioned it over the stove. At this stage, the basket was stationary. So I connected the AC power supply to the motor and plugged it into the electrical socket. The basket immediately began rotating at a slow and steady speed. I then added more firewood to maintain a strong flame and allowed the eggplant to roast slowly. Because the basket rotates continuously, every side of the eggplant receives equal heat exposure. This results in a perfectly even roast without the need to manually turn it. After some time, the eggplant was beautifully roasted from all sides. The skin was nicely charred, and the inside had become soft and smoky, exactly what we need for making delicious eggplant mash. I often use this homemade rotisserie-style roaster to prepare roasted eggplants, and the results are always fantastic. I hope you enjoyed watching this project and found it useful. If you like building creative DIY tools and cooking gadgets like this, then this channel is definitely for you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new project. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.